Hello, welcome again to Nesbet English, the channel dedicated to training speaking comprehensively from A to Z. Nesbet English, Nesbet not bad. Don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell too, so that you'll be connected and notified always. You can also click the channel icon to find more videos or more lessons that you missed or forgot to watch last time. Alright? Now in this lesson, which is lesson 17, we are going to talk about expressing probability in the past. Probability here can simply be taken to mean the degree to which something happened or did not happen in the past. All right? Now, there are two kinds of probability in the past. The first one is what we call fair probability. To express this, you can use may have or may have. Yeah, so may have can be contracted into may have. The second one is less probability. To suggest this, to express this, you can use might have, or could have. So based on that, you can see that the form to use is the modal plus have plus past participial verbs or verbs 3. Do you still remember what past participial verbs or verbs 3 are? They are the verbs that come in the third column, the past participle column, on the list of regular or irregular verbs. In this case, they are the ones highlighted in dark red there, as you can see. For example, been, come, showed, and called. Some of the verbs that we are going to use in this lesson. Now let's take a look at some examples here I have provided for you to see. Alright, the first one here we have, he may have come to the party. It was very probable that he showed up. Now you can see that the form may have or may have equals or is equal to past tense. Yeah, they are parallel. May have equals past tense. So you can change it into the past tense that you know to suggest the same meaning. It expresses the same meaning, and you can also combine them both. It's okay to combine them both, like you put it in some other way. Yeah. So once again, he may have come to the party. That is, it was very probable that he showed up. Right? Let's take a look at the second example here. He might have come to the party. So this suggests less probability using might have. So once again, he might have come to the party. That is, it was less probable that he showed up. Okay? Yeah. The next example is, she may have called him. It was very probable that she called him. Right? She may have called him. It was very probable that she called him. It was very probable that she called him. Yeah. So once again, you can use either one. Yeah. They mean the same thing. You can use may have or may have, or the second one using it was blah blah blah. But you can also combine them both, like in a whole context together. Yeah, like you begin with the form may have, and then you suggest what it means using the past tense that you give after that, like this one. It's okay to combine them both. Yeah, it's conversational. The next one, she could have called him. It was less probable that she called him. Yeah, she could have called him. That is, it was less probable that she called him. Yeah. Now, there's a little bonus here I give you, that is how to suggest or express probability at present, which is supposed to be easier in form because you simply use may to express fair probability and might or could to express less probability. And also I have some examples for you to see. The first one, he may come to the party tonight. That is, it is very probable that he shows up. Okay? And he might come to the party tonight. This is less probable. He might come to the party tonight. That is, it is less probable that he shows up. Okay? Another example here. She may call him this afternoon. It is very probable that she calls him. And she could call him this afternoon. That is, it is less probable that she calls him. Okay? So the form may and also could to suggest present probability or probability at present equals present tense. So you can put it in some other way, and that is in present tense. You can use either one, but you can combine them both also. Yeah, it's okay to combine them both. Once again, like you give its meaning in another form. Yeah. So there you have it, right? Don't forget how to suggest probability in the past and also probability at present, which is simpler. Yeah. So next time you have to suggest probability appropriately in the past and at present, you know what forms to use. Okay. Don't forget to visit our website, as you can see. And once again, I thank you for your attention, for being with me. I hope you learned something from this video, this lesson. Until next time, I say goodbye.